What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sperry Gold Cup Amalfi cross-strapped leather sandals I picked up from off Saks Fifth Avenue for $59.99, down from $115. They range in between sizes 7 and 14. They get 5 out of 5 stars out of one customer review. It's summertime, and yeah, this type of stuff is in style this time of year. So today I figured we would do just a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. I've got this beautiful Gold Cup Sperry box in front of me here. This is the first ever Sperry item I've reviewed on the channel. It's also the first ever pair of Gold Cup sandals I've bought, or Gold Cup product I've bought. I have seen their Gold Cup items at their store. I've also seen them at other stores, like Dillard's, for example, and the quality of their shoes is next level. It's really nice. So I expect these to be the same. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the box here. So you just get some really nice Sperry branding on it. Let's just go ahead and take off the top of the box here. Now this video is not scripted today, so we're just gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. Very supportive, very stylish. You get some exposed stitching and leather on the straps themselves here, on both straps. If we actually flip over the bottom of the sandal here, yeah, actually that is a really good question. Are these non-slip or not? It looks like these grooves on the bottom of the sandal would channel out water pretty well. Also, when you have a flat bottom like this with just rubber on the sole, usually that's a pretty good sign of a really strong tread. We get some grooves in the side of the sole as well, so it looks like maybe, you know, they have a little bit of impact resistance. They are imported. They have a rubber sole and EVA lining. They are a slip-on style. They are open toe, as you can tell. They have a genuine leather upper, which is really nice. You know, off Saks Fifth Avenue is a great place to go for summer items. They're getting in stuff for the summer. Luggage in particular, I noticed that. Unfortunately, there's not going to be a whole lot of traveling this year, but at least some of us can still, you know, go to the beach or maybe go to the park or go to the lake. Saks Fifth Avenue is a great place to look, and they always have fantastic deals. And as you can see, these shoes are in fabulous condition. Really nice, really sharp sandal. They get 5 out of 5 stars out of one customer review. My name is John. I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing and first look at the Sperry Gold Cup Amalfi cross strap, double strap sandal. I will see you in the next one.